Hello everyone, this video is about a project we did for our design course. The topic for this project is redesigning of tools for salt pen workers. We are a team of Rohan, Rohit and Satya. Next, we discuss about the 7 concerns of innovation. These 7 concerns form the backbone for the process of innovation. As we go on, we discuss more about them. These 7 concerns are listed below. The first concern is the cause. It is a resolution to solve a problem. The cause is not merely a problem or the reason why a design journey was undertaken. It is a deep need perceived by the designer as something that merits urgent attention. So in our case, the cause came out of deep empathy for the hardship of women salt pan workers in carrying and loading the salt. This hardship is faced by the men workers as well as more aged group of people. We are resolved to solve this problem. The next concern is the context. It is about understanding the user space. We must know the problem is inseparable from the problem space. It is equally important to emphasize with users and to understand the context of the problem in detail. Here we are going to list down conditions and constraints that we should keep in mind while designing a tool to solve our problem. Notable conditions are high salinity, marshy surface, and very high temperature and very low temperature. The temperature can go up to 40 degrees Celsius during the daytime and can be as low as 4 degrees Celsius in the night. In the second concern, the context, we also do synchrony and diachrony analysis. It is about taking a look at already existing tools. Currently, salt pan workers either use baskets or trolleys for carrying and gathering salt. Unfortunately, none of them meets the required standards. Here we take a look at the advantages and disadvantages these tools provide for salt pan workers. The third concern is the comprehension. It is about arriving at design insights. The comprehension describes the stage where design insights emerge. The designer synthesizes all the observations and perceptions that have come up during the study of the context. The context is the user space, understanding the user space. So it includes a thorough understanding of user space, insights into the challenges of materials and manufacturing, and mapping of current technologies. The 3 main design insights that we came across are garden trolley, handheld mechanical bag fillers, and pickup truck unloading mechanisms. So here are the pictures of the 3 main design insights. The first one is the garden trolley that describes the structural component of our equipment. Next is the unloader. It is for efficient unloading, and the bag filler is for efficient loading. The fourth concern is the check. It is about creating the product defect. The check is the most valuable step in design innovation. It gives a clear direction to the design innovation without losing focus on the needs of the target user. Every point in the checklist needs to be clearly met in the design process. Here we list down some of the notable features that we want to have in our equipment. It should be durable, it should be maintenance free, it should be easy to transport to the salt pan location, effortless usage, easy movement on sand and thin water layers, and it should be cost effective. The fifth concern of innovation is the conception. It is about creating multiple ideas and combining them to general concepts. Using the checklist, the designers arrive at possible solution to the problem at hand in the form of ideas. The ideas are combined to create clusters. The clusters can be 2 or 3 in number. Then these clusters are used to form concepts. Then the most deserving one, a final concept is chosen. Here we describe about various design clusters that we came across. The first one is design 1, as shown in the picture. It has pulling mechanism, not pushing. Usually pulling is easier than pushing. It also has integrated loading slash collector and container. It is four-wheeled cart, and unlike one or two-wheeler, user need not lift any part of the cart for movement. The other two design clusters are design 2 and design 3. In design 2, we have fewer parts and easy maintainability. It is a two-wheel cart, hence easy mobility. Separate loader design, hence no need to carry it every time. In design 3, we have sledge design instead of two wheels to help in messy environment. It helps in easy locomotion. Integrated unloader so as to help easy dropping of the load. Finally, we have the master design. It is the final concept we chose that will be used for crafting in the future. So it combines all the pro concepts and tries to eliminate the cons from the above three concepts. It has detachable loader to ease loading mechanism and to maintain modular design. It also has integrated unloading belt design to help simple rotational mechanism to unload. It has also four-wheeled cart to eliminate the need to carry loads. Next, we have the sixth concern of innovation, the crafting. It is about building mockups and prototypes. Considering to adopt each of the design requirements, the master design was brought alive by CAD, computer-aided drawing, as shown here. Integrated loader and unloader, of which loader being modularly designed can be attached only when required. Each dimension being crafted in the actual size, it's the manufacturer-ready design. This design was accomplished after several iterations to fit both under user comfort and design of holdings. So in the crafting, let's look at a wonderful video of our final equipment. It has a detachable loading mechanism, so we can attach it or remove it whenever we require. We only use it when needed. It has been made using computer-aided drawing or CAD. The final concern is the connection. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate goal of innovation. Connection is where primary user provides the feedback. The connection between user and product builds up only when user is satisfied with the product and its function and performance. Saltman workers from the little run of Kutch gave us useful feedback. They seem satisfied with the product. Apart from using this trolley for piling salt, it can be used for transporting other materials such as personal belongings or equipment. Our users also said that this trolley will be useful for transporting unnecessary grass and weeds found in salt pan, another use which even we haven't thought of. So this is all about our project. Thank you for watching.